How are you, sir? Dr. Moruja, how are you? Eh? Spy. Oh, this man, Abi. That's the. Yeah. How are you? How are you? Brown. Oh, ad hoc. Well done. Thank you.
Section where we have the adult staff. On this side, we have the staff we inherited from Turkey, contracted contractors who carried out the transition process. So I guess the staff are very happy to meet you this morning. And we also thank you very much, for the new furniture that you are giving them, the new equipment that you are giving, and the promise that you will continue to work very hard. So,
thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Come on, I know. Okay? Nice to see you guys again. Okay? Well done. Well done. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Lagos State's land automation portal. On this portal, we have about 4 menus that is here. But the one that is commonly used by everybody, public. On this service, it is on this service that anybody that needs to apply for governor's consent or any of our title we belong in.
Status report of the project, of how far we've gone with the project. This is the portal live, where customers are able to apply for their land transaction. So the application forms are there in case the user decides that I want to download the form to fill in all the details I need before coming to access the portal. And we just have like a summary of how far we've gone on the project here. So these are the milestones that we've achieved and the integration that we have in line with the things agenda for Lagos State, making Lagos State 21st century economy. We have also made business easier by integrating the portal with the central billing system. Also, you can integrate with LRS to create a to create your payer ID if you don't have one. We also validate the payer ID that is being submitted also. So that's what we have here. We also have the landing page for the application. After it's being submitted, it is processed back end. So we have a team that is actually ready to do the presentation when we